Welcome, happy campers. My name's Amanda here at Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking a look at this 2021 Transcend 321BH. So first thing I want to show you is a quick transition. Let's look over at these campers. We are on our outside lot. We're going to take a look at the updated package, and then behind me is one of the older model campers. So this camper is the upgraded package. It has the black front cap, but that is what they used to look like. So a little bit of a option for you guys. But looking at our camper here, we'll see we do have a gigantic awning. So this awning will cover all of your outdoor entertainment space, and it even covers one of your main door. You have outdoor speakers here, some lighting, and this camper actually has another door here. Now this goes straight into your master. Super convenient if you want to just hop in and out really quickly without having to go all the way through that main door. But looking here in the front, this will be a look into our pass-through storage. Now the other side has your utilities, but at the rear of the camper, we actually have an outdoor kitchen. So this is really awesome. Not all campers come with these, and they're very awesome when outside hanging out with the family. You can have a little griddle going here, have a little bit of snacks, even a small fridge. Something to note is that this fridge is electric, so you'll need to make sure when you hook up your camper that you start that and get it cooled off. No big deal. Stows away, easy for transport. Okay, stepping into this Transcend, we're going to take a look at the rear first. So this will be our bunk room, or the party room, I guess. You can have lots of space here for lots of different guests or kids. This would be great for kids. A nice private area. I love the bunk below, but they are twin size and they do kind of conjoin, so a little bit of shared space there. Below we have plenty of drawers, nice and deep, nice storage space here. Bigger drawers on this side and a pretty sturdy ladder. Now that's not going anywhere. I love that. And then a little bonus wardrobe here for anyone's hangout clothes. Almost directly conjoined to this party room is a half bath. Super convenient for people with kids. They won't be coming into your master or even close to you to go to the bathroom. We have lots of countertop space here, a nice sink with a side mount, big mirror, some hooks, everything you need. Okay, moving towards the front of this camper, we're going to look at our entertainment space. We have a nice smart TV on a swivel, of course. Below is our entertainment and DVD. That's indoor and outdoor speakers that works from there. We have a nice big pantry, or if you want to use it for storage, whatever you prefer for your needs. Across from this will be our theater seating. So these do recline, super comfortable. I believe you can opt for a sofa if you want, but these are also definitely good for movie nights. Moving towards the kitchen, we have a nice gas electric fridge here as usual. A little bit of storage below, 3-burner top stove, microwave, all the essentials you need in this. Plenty of countertop space with this side sink here. Sorry, it's an undermount stainless steel sink with a nice sprayer nozzle. I love how they're putting those in nowadays. Everyone needs one of those. One of my favorites is this big drawer. This is perfect for pots, anything big that you do use but you want to keep out of your way, especially in your cabinets. That's super easy. Speaking of cabinets, plenty of space for glasses and plates and everything. Looking this way, we have our built-in dinette. I love the live edge of this table. Pretty comfortable for me to sit in, and I'm pretty tall, and I'm sure some kids would love to have a meal at a campsite at this table. But let's look towards the bathroom. Looking at the main bath in this camper, it has a large sliding doors, 2 barn style doors, and you do have to go through this to get to your master, but that's another hint that we love that half bath. It keeps people away from the master a little bit more. Looking this way, we have a nice sink, medicine cabinet with some storage, of course, storage below, and big shelves over there. I love how they extend the countertop just for some extra if you need the countertop. And we have a pretty big shower, of course. I am 5'11". I fit pretty comfortably in here. We have a nice squeegee door that squeegees the water off, so no need to worry about mildew or anything. And then a removable shower head, pretty convenient, but moving swiftly towards the master. In the master, we do have a queen size standard bed. You can opt for a king, but this one, of course, has a queen. Nice big window on that side, plenty of storage on the side and above. We do have a nice light. I think it has motion sensing too, but you can just turn that on and off. Nice wardrobe with hanging abilities in there. and a little cubby just for things you need to keep by your bedside. Another unique thing about this camper is this door. Now this is super convenient when you just gotta hop inside, maybe change, grab a jacket, you got a little bit cold. No need to go through that main door, especially with a bathroom between the living space and the master. But let's hop out this door real quick. Okay, love the convenience of this door. And if you love it too, why don't you give us a call here at Cookeville RV Marine? We would love to help you. But did you like this video? Would you want to see more? Like this video, hit that subscribe button, and leave us a comment. What do you want to see in the future? And don't forget, at Cookeville RV Marine, your adventure awaits.